Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add Stripe or how you can connect Stripe to Shopify. Okay, now the first step, of course, you want to log into your Shopify store. This is the dashboard of my Shopify store. Now what you guys need is you want to click on settings. That's the first thing you need to do. You want to click on settings and you want to click on store details. Now here, what you guys need to do, you want to search for billing information. So just scroll down a little bit. And as you can see, this is your billing information, your country, your address. You want to click on this pin button and make sure you select the correct country. Okay, that's what you need. I'm going to do that right now. Now you want to select the correct country. I'm going to select, for example, let's select France because Stripe is available in France. Of course, there are countries where Stripe is not supported, so make sure you search on Google for Stripe supported, Shopify supported countries, okay, something like that, to see the countries where Stripe is available. Okay, now after that you want to click on settings, and after you select here your country, click now on payments. Okay, now here, as you can see, payment providers. Now payment providers, it can be Stripe, it can be another payment providers. There are a lot of payment providers. Okay, now as you can see, the default payment method here is PayPal for me. Now it depending on your country, this will be different for all countries from other countries. Okay, you want to click on choose provider, and here you want to search for Stripe. Now as you can see, Stripe is available in my country. I selected France, and as you can see, Stripe is available. Now if it says here unavailable, that means Stripe is not going to work. Even if you create an account on Stripe, you will not be able to connect it to your Shopify because it's not available in your country. Okay, of course, if you want, you can change the country to a country where Stripe is supported, but you will need the address, you will need the bank account of that exact country. For example, if you selected France, you will need a French bank account. Okay, that's the problem, and you will need the address. If you have someone lives in the same country, for example, if someone lives in the United States, you can select United States and you can create a Stripe using your own information. Now as you can see, it's available. Just click on Stripe, and yeah, and then you want to enter the email. Of course, you have to create account on Stripe, so just search for Stripe on Google, and you want to create an account. Of course, you have to add your your personal information. Okay, like this address and stuff like that. Now you want to enter here the email address and everything, and then that's it. After you create Stripe account, then you will be able to connect it by going to Shopify like I showed you, and click on Stripe, and then enter here your email address and stuff like that, and then you will be able to connect. Okay, hopefully this video guys helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. If this video guys helped you, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next video.